Hello children, today we are going to learn paper birds. How to make paper birds. Take a piece of paper, scissor, colors, that's it. Now follow my steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and last 7. Now our bird is ready. You can do color, beak, make feathers, make small cut here and eye. However, this type of birds are ready. You know where they live? They live in a nest. And you know how do baby sparrows eat? The mother sparrow feed their baby sparrow. Hello children. Now you see they always cheer up our mood by making different kind of sound. Okay, bye.